Dear students of class 11, once again very pleasant good morning to you all. Hope all of you are keeping fine and doing well. Dear students, in this class I will be giving you the answers of the homework that was given to you. So I will be discussing the answers of specimen paper number 4, question number 3 A, B, C. Please note the answers of this following question. On page number 70, you were asked to do the homework 70 and 71. First question, that is, in each of the following items sentence A is complete but sentence B is not. Complete sentence B, making it as similar in meaning as possible to sentence A. Write down sentence B in each case. On page number 70. 1. You press the button to start the mixer. Answer is, if you press the green button, the mixer will start. I repeat the answer. If you press the green button, the mixer will start. 2. How about going to the cinema tonight? Said Annie. The answer is, Annie suggested for going to the cinema that night. I repeat, Annie suggested for going to the cinema that night. 3. Samir has run away from home on other occasions. The answer is, this is not the first time that Samir has run away from home. I repeat, this is not the first time that Samir has run away from home. Number 4. Despite looking everywhere, he never found his wallet. The answer is, although he looked everywhere, he could never find his wallet. I repeat, although he looked everywhere, he could never find his wallet. 5th one, I don't like ice cream as much as you do. The answer is, you like ice cream very much than I do. I repeat, you like ice cream very much than I do. 6th one, stop interrupting me all the time. It's an exclamatory sentence. Answer is, I wish you wouldn't interrupt me all the time. I wish you wouldn't interrupt me all the time or every time. 7th one, what a shame they ate all the food. The answer is, I wish they would not have eaten all the food. I repeat, I wish they would not have eaten all the food. 8. Number 8. He left the house early but arrived very late. The answer is, despite leaving the house early, he arrived very late. I repeat, despite leaving the house early, he arrived very late. 9. You can stay in the flat if you pay the rent regularly. The answer is, so long as you pay the rent regularly, you can stay in the flat. I repeat, so long as you pay the rent regularly, you can stay in the flat. And the last one is number 10. I won't take the job unless the salary is good. The answer is, I won't take the job if the salary is not good. I won't take the job if the salary is not good. Yes, dear students, thus we have completed question number 3A. Now 3B, the answers are, fill in each blank with a suitable word. 1. The car battery has run out of it needs recharging. Run out of, run out of. Second one, the poor beggar was run over by a truck, which means killed. Run over, over, over. Third one, he drew me into an argument. He drew me into an argument. Fourth one, he has drawn up the plan for us. Drawn up, 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 not Uttar Pradesh. Okay, up, drawn up. Fifth one, he is lazy. I have no sympathy for him. I repeat, he is lazy. I have no sympathy for him. Sixth one, we sympathize with her in her tragedy. Sympathize with her in her tragedy. WITH. Seventh one, he keeps getting at me and I really don't know what I have done wrong. Getting at means to criticize, to blame. At. Eighth one, after a long time he got over the shock. Got over, recover, that is the meaning. 9. Her shoes are not going with her dress. Going with means matching with. 10th one, there is a viral infection going on this time of the year. Going on, like our best example is coronavirus, isn't it? On. Thus, dear students, question number 3b also we have completed, and C, the last one. In the following passage, fill in each of the numbered blanks with a correct form of the word given in brackets. Do not copy the passage but write in correct serial order the word appropriate to the blank space. Let us find the answer of this one. Please note down. I will be sending you the PDF of this one just after a few minutes. Charles Ludwig Dodson worked as a lecturer in mathematics at Oxford University from 1855 to 1881. His colleagues thought, THOUGHT, he was eccentric, but he seemed, SWMED, seemed to have been comfortable with children. He had a bad stammer except when he was with children, when it completely disappeared. DISAPPEARED, disappeared. In 1865, he published, PUBLISHED, published Alice in Wonderland and called himself Lewis Carroll as its author. He wrote, WROT, double wrote, 3 more books to entertain Alice Liddell, who was the young daughter of the Dean of Christ Church College, Oxford. Lewis Carroll wrote many other nonsense poems in his real name. He lived, LIVED, lived alone and died of bronchitis in Guildford on July 14th, 1898. Thus, dear students, let me repeat the answer for you just one time. Number 1, worked. 2, thought. 3rd, was. 4th, seemed. 5th, had. 6th, disappeared. 7th, published. 8, wrote. 9, was. And the last one, 10th one, lived. Yes, dear students, this is a short class and this is the answer. Tomorrow I will be discussing with unit number 5. Hope if some of you have already sent the answer to me, please check the video and write down the answers correctly. If you have any clarifications, please send to me. I will be forwarding the PDF in a short while. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.